Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding some Ethereum and want to cash out on Robinhood in 2025, you're in the right place. With crypto markets more dynamic than ever, knowing how to sell securely can help you maximize your gains. In this full guide, we'll walk through the entire process step by step, so you can do it with confidence. First things first, make sure you have a Robinhood account set up and that your Ethereum is already in your portfolio. If not, you'll need to transfer it from another wallet or exchange. Robinhood makes this pretty straightforward. Alright, let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app on your phone or log in via the website. Once you're in, head over to the Crypto tab, which is usually front and center. Here, you'll see all your digital assets listed. Look for Ethereum. It's often abbreviated as ETH, and tap on it to open the details page. Step 2. On the Ethereum page, you'll find options like Buy and Sell. Go ahead and select Sell. Now, you'll have to choose your sell type. In 2025, Robinhood might offer market orders for instant sales at the current price, or limit orders if you want to set a specific price. I recommend starting with a market order if you're in a hurry, but remember, crypto prices can swing wildly, so keep an eye on the market. Step 3. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to sell. Robinhood will show you the estimated USD value based on current rates, and don't forget to check for any fees. Robinhood's are typically low, but they add up. Once you're happy with the details, hit Review Order, and then Confirm. You'll get a confirmation screen, so double-check everything before proceeding. After the sale goes through, your funds will appear in your Robinhood cash balance. Step 4. If you want to withdraw that money, go to the Account section, select Transfers, and follow the prompts to move it to your linked bank account. It usually takes 1 to 3 business days. A quick word of caution. Always stay informed about market trends and taxes. Selling crypto could have implications, so consider consulting a financial advisor. And never sell based on hype alone. Do your research. There you have it, folks. You've just learned how to sell Ethereum on Robinhood in 2025. If this guide helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.